You guys know it's life coach, investor, entrepreneur. Your boy Bobby from Mentourme.com. Make sure you click the subscribe button below and make sure you like this video. Let's talk about 5 to 7 reasons why the stock market is down today. Number one, we got to realize that the Delta variant is increasing. Why is that a problem? A lot of companies that was brick and mortar have lost a lot of sales due to the fact of this whole COVID movement. You got to really think about what's happening. A lot of people are not spending dollars. And when people are not spending dollars, companies can't pay taxes, and there's a whole shift in the macro economy. Number two, inflation. Our purchasing power has decreased, meaning it's taking you more dollars to buy the same thing. And that's a big problem. Who controls a lot of those variables is, of course, the federal chairman of the United States of America, which is Jerome Powell. Number three, we got to also look at that there's a shortage in a lot of different things. But when we talk about the electrical vehicle sector, such as stocks as XPEV, NEO, there's a big chip shortage in the automotive sector, which is hindering a lot of these stocks from going up. Okay. And again, they can't even produce the cars due to, of course, shutting down productions, pulling back certain levels of production because of this big chip shortage. And that's a big problem, but also a big opportunity if you understand what I'm trying to say, if you're talking about the EV sector. Number four, we got to also look at the fact that the world is shifting. We have a debt ceiling that needs to be increased. And if the debt ceiling is not increased, we got to understand that we're going to have a possible recession if we don't increase the debt ceiling of our country's debt. Now, we got to also look at the fact that these variables affect each other in a lot of different ways. And number five, China is causing big issues. One of their biggest companies just went into a big problem of deficiency when it comes to, of course, financial stability. We're talking a $300 billion company that employs 3.1 million workers. And this company is attached to many different Chinese banks and also to a certain degree to cryptocurrency. We got to understand that with China re-regulating their markets, and again, they're re-regulating a lot of different markets because, again, they're starting to see a lot of domesticated dollars come into their country. And China has never been a country that plays in an even playing field, if you get what I'm saying. So we got to understand China also is affecting what's going on in the stock market. This is the fifth reason why the stock market is down. And a lot of us need to understand that decisions that we make every single day when we're trading in the stock market can really hinder us if we're not holding long term. The growth of seeing true elevation in the stock market is to hold long term. When I say long term, 3 to maybe 10 years. If you want to see true growth, you have to learn how to invest. And if you want to see true growth, you have to also understand economics, because that's a big part of actually understanding the stock market. This is your boy Bobby from Mentourme.com. Those are 5 reasons why the stock market is down today. Make sure you subscribe, click, like, and enjoy this video and share this video. Mentourme.com.